Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a Discord server rules page membership screening. So basically what you'd want to do is go click on the top left here. Once you click on that, go to server settings, and you need to enable community, which is right here where my cursor is hovering. Click on that, click on get started. So you could either verify email required and scan each contact from all members so that you could keep the community section saved, so it will minimize spam and bots to go into your Discord server. So just click on next, and if you don't want to create channels, and let Discord create one for you by clicking the option here, just like so. There, just go next, and you'll just go with I agree and understand. There, set up there, and once you're done with that, as you can see, these are the things that they added, Discord added, just like so. Now what you want to do next is go back to the server settings right here, and under here on the community, go to now go click on onboarding right here. Once you're here, you'll click on next, or edit these first. So activity alerts, capture right here, the spam protection, so verification level. Members of the server must meet the following criteria. So there, you must have a verified email on their Discord account. It's also registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes. So if you want this one, which will help you protect your server more or better, just click on that, go save. Just like so. You could also set up members must accept rules before they can talk or DM, so go set up that too. So set up rules that new members must explicitly agree to before they can talk, react, or DM other members. Writing a rule to a member will bypass this requirement. So here you could set up the server rules. First, you could just put out a description. So let's say hello everybody. This is not that important. Let's go through it, and now here are the rules. So now you can either add a rule or use the example rules right here. So I'm gonna click this, just like so. I have 4 here now, or you could add a rule of your own just by clicking on this. But if you don't want to do that, you could just go with the given here and click on save. There, and just could either edit this again, just like so. Now you just go with next, or go with the permissions right here, or require 2FA for moderator actions. It's up to you if you also want that. And here is the auto mod. So block members, block suspected spam content. Go through that too. What you want to do is go click on next. There, default channels, set default channels every member will see in their channel list when they join. So if you want to see what someone sees when they join the server, so I want them to see the rules first so that they can understand everything, just like so. Then just go with next. As you can see, there are pre-join questions right here, which is something you could go with through. So I'm just gonna go next. Now these are the welcome sign. You can set up a welcome sign. So this is what it will look like. Whoever will see this, they will see that. There, it's up to you if you want to go through all these two. Just either skip it. And default channels must have 7 total channels and pubs new members can talk in. So you need to have 7 total channels first. Now need to add channels first. So you cannot finish this without 7 channels. So if you want to do that, just set up the channels first. So I'm gonna set it up right here. So here guys, I use another server, but I did the same process what I did earlier, so that it won't take long. So after I have 7 default channels ready, just can now enable onboarding. So just click on enable onboarding, just like so. Now it's all okay, and go check. Once a new member joins, it will show them the onboarding, which will just pop up with their screen, so let me try. So here guys, I used my other account to join the server and this will pop up. So this is the onboarding here or the screening. So you need to verify your phone number first and click on this. So you cannot go and click submit once you have not done the rules here. I have read agreed to the rules, and if you don't have a phone number to verify, you cannot join the server. So that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.